If you've been thinking about adding a fountain feature to your existing swimming pool, it doesn't get easier than this. In less than 5 minutes, I was able to fully install this and have it up and running. I'll walk you through all the steps from out of the box to installed. It comes with a variety of adapters to fit whatever size your outlet opening is. The next piece immediately after the point where it screws into your jet is a valve that opens and closes to increase or decrease your pressure. If you fully open it, it'll let some of the flow come out of it and reduce the pressure going to the fountain itself. For my purposes, the existing piece screwed right into my existing jet, and it was a very straightforward installation. Here's that valve I told you about, and it runs right into a swivel type of elbow. It's going to start directing the flow up. So that valve and elbow piece that I told you about is just going to screw right into that first piece that I screwed in. Then next it's onto this vertical pipe that's going to bring the fountain up out of the water. And again, just a simple screw-on connection. I just screwed these straight on. If you wanted to get real serious about these connections and ensure there's no little leaks anywhere, you could use some plumber's tape on the threads. For the sake of this, I didn't do that. Next, you're going to grab that spray bar. And again, simple screw-on connection there. And that's where your fountain spray is actually going to come out of. Screw that on tight. And that swivel lets you adjust it up and down. And then the spray bar itself also rotates. You can see here I adjusted that valve a little, and you'll see that flow go down and then come back up by opening and closing that. Once you have that spray bar attached, it's time to grab the light panel, and it's got a solar panel on it for recharge purposes. It's also got a USB port, so you can plug it in and charge it manually if you need to. And it just easily pops on and off the spray bar right there, and it's adjustable up and down to get that light angle however you like it. Now, how far this thing sprays is going to be partially dependent on your pump. Now, I wanted to show you the light itself, and it's got 9 different modes. You got green, blue, yellow, lighter blue, a purple, a red, a rainbow multicolor, and then kind of a chasing light effect, and a couple different modes there where it changes colors and bounces back and forth. Lots of options here, easy to change, just a click of the button on the back of the light panel. I think my favorite might be the red. If you're looking for a fountain, check this one out.